Hi, I'm Karen Collins, and today I'm here with Dr. Britt Burton-Freeman, a renowned researcher regarding substances that you maybe used to consider antioxidants, and we'll talk about why our understanding of that is evolving. Dr. Burton-Freeman is director of the Center for Nutrition Research at the Institute for Food Safety and Health at the Illinois Institute of Technology, and also does research as part of work at the University of California, Davis. So thank you so much for this time today. I appreciate it so much.
Sure. Thank you for asking me.
So let's get right to it. This concept of, people hear the word antioxidant and oxidative stress, but maybe don't fully understand it, and now our understanding is changing anyway.
Right.
So, oxidative stress and what is an antioxidant?
Okay. I'm actually going to start with an antioxidant. From a definition standpoint, we think of antioxidant as a property of food and food components. It is about free radical scavenging, so we're talking about electrons. It could also be reducing capability, so donating hydrogens, okay? And vitamin C and vitamin E are nutrients that we know as antioxidants. So vitamin C, E, and A are antioxidant nutrients. They do other things in the body too, but they act as free radical scavengers in the body. And probably the classic is vitamin C regenerates vitamin E. Polyphenols, so these other components in fruits and vegetables, the anthocyanins, the flavonols, these are flavonoid compounds, and while in a test tube, they can act as antioxidants. Once they get in our body, they're not acting as antioxidants. First, they're in much lower concentrations than these other nutrients, and secondly, we're learning about how they increase nitric oxide bioavailability through changing activation of proteins such as nitric oxide synthase, which is increased nitric oxide production. We can look at them in changing cell signaling, would have impact, for example, in insulin and glucose regulation. So they're doing a whole lot of other things and leaving the antioxidant scavenging to other molecules in the body.
Okay, so antioxidants are still real. That has not been disputed. It's just, and the nutrients like vitamin C, A, and E are antioxidants, and they work in that way as well as others. The news is that these compounds, phytochemicals in fruits and vegetables, whole grains, beans, nuts, seeds, that we focused on previously as antioxidants, still beneficial, just a change in direction as to how they're working.
Right. Well, and it makes sense because if you test them in a test tube and they have this great antioxidant capacity that you're measuring, you would think, okay, that must be what it's delivering in the body. But then you have to do the bioavailability studies. When we consume fruits and vegetables that carry these phytochemicals into the body, how are they being digested, absorbed, how much is getting into the bloodstream, and are they acting that way? And so it's really taking that next step of, how does it all work in biology? And so, we've been through this evolution of science, and we've evolved out of knowing them as antioxidants in the body, and we've moved on to understanding them as acting on a number of alternative processes or mechanisms to deliver the health benefit. So definitely delivering a health benefit, just not through the scavenging mechanism that we thought they were before.